This is Discraft's most anticipated disc of the year. I had no idea this was even showing up at the door, so this was just super random to me, but I'm super excited to show you guys what's in here. All right, let's open this thing up. So this is going to be Captain's Raptor. As most of you know, I joined Team Discraft Underground for this upcoming season. We were all sent one of these Captain's Raptors with the Discraft Underground logo stamped on there. I want to give a huge shout out to Paul Ulibarri, Bob, and Wes over at Discraft for sending the team these. I am super excited to get out and try this thing out and see how it compares to the other Raptors that are out right now. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about trying out the Captain's Raptor this year, and make sure that you like and follow for more disc golf content.